Hey guys, so I wanted to just run through real quick what the schedule is going to look like for the second half of this semester in terms of topics and homework. For each of the topics and readings, you'll make sure that you read that section from the book. Again, for those of you who don't have access to the book, I've put a PDF scan of the book up on Blackboard. So obviously week 10 would have been this week that I'm recording in, which was up through the 20th of March, and that was our extended spring break. So we're going to come back and we're going to get back into the emotional journey, and we're going to look at the emotional journey. We talked about kind of the narrative arc and kind of mapping emotions onto that narrative arc this coming week. So have a read through that. And there will be a video for each of these assignments, so don't worry about that. I'm just running through kind of topics in this video. So for Friday, the 27th of March, you'll have an assignment where you look at the emotional journey of an app that already exists. Then going down to the last week in March, first week in April, we're going to be looking at personas. Again, read that section in the book. On Wednesday, you'll want to have commented on 2 people's posts about the emotional journey of an app. And then on Friday, you're going to have a homework assignment on the persona as applied to a household object, something within your immediate vicinity. Following week, week 13, which is the first full week in April, we're going to talk about color, how color impacts emotion, how color impacts how we think about things. Again, similar structure. Wednesday, comment on 2 posts about household objects and personas. And then on Friday, we're going to have an assignment where you're going to map color. Following week, week 14, almost at the end, that's going to be on Gestalt theory. So again, Wednesday, comment on 2 color map assignments. Friday, there's going to be an assignment on the kinds of Gestalt. I kind of alluded to this in one of my earlier videos. Week 15 is the last full week. That reading is going to be affordances. By Wednesday, make sure you comment on 2 of the Gestalt assignments. There is no project or assignment due on that Friday because you're just going to be finishing up your final. Your final is due when your final exam would have been, which is 4 p.m. on April 29th. So just take the rest of that week to kind of wrap up. The affordances will help you with the final assignment, so I definitely would suggest reading that section. That's in the last section of the book, which is Act 3, which I'll have scanned and put up within the next couple weeks. But hopefully that's pretty clear, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And obviously this is all subject to change again if anything else happens, but that's our plan going forward.